What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning this new song from Ed Sheeran. We're going to learn it in a picking way and a strumming way. And later in the video, I'm going to show you some advanced tricks you can do to make it sound cooler. But let's just start with the basic way. And let me show you what it's going to sound like. The strumming way is going to sound like this, or the picking way first. It's going to be like... It's just those three chords: B minor, D, G. Picking, strumming. At the end, I throw in an E minor instead of a G, which that's a trick you can do if you want to make a song sound cool. You can change the G for an E minor sometimes because they're relatives of each other. Relative major and minor, meaning they share the same notes. So most of the time you can switch them around and you can kind of come up with some cool stuff. And that's what Ed Sheeran did there. Okay, so the chords, it's a B minor, and this is unconventional B minor shape. You could also use play B minor like this, but let me show it to you this way. So you want to mute the 6th string, and then it's 2 0 2 3. And the high E, you can play it or mute it. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. And then D, I just use this D sus2, which sounds nice. Then I just take the finger off, so this is B minor, and this is D. Make sure to mute the top string, because if you have the D with the top string ringing out, it sounds really bad. So, and then just take this finger and put it at the top for the G. And make sure when you have this finger to mute the 5th string. You'll notice Ed Sheeran always plays it like this, the G. I would like to take this time now to tell you about the sponsor for this video. Me. So I give private lessons. If you want to take private lessons from me, $200 a month gets you 1 lesson a week and 45 minutes, and the lessons are customized to the music that you listen to. If you listen to indie music, I teach you indie songs. If you listen to rock music, I teach you rock songs, and I also explain the theory behind them, and I give you the right song for your skill level. So if you're a beginner, you'll learn beginner songs. If you're an intermediate player, you learn songs that are just a little bit harder for you, but will take you to that next level. So if you're struggling to find a roadmap for what to learn next, sign up for private lessons from me. I'll maybe put a link in the comments or something like that. But anyway, just hit me up in the comments. Cheers. No, not cheers. I'm still busy getting the lesson. So that's B minor, D, G. So that's basically the concept behind it. The strumming is like this: down, 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 so you count it as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. And the picking works exactly the same way with the rhythm. So the picking is like this: 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Let me show you these shapes as well for the more advanced ones. So that will get you through most of the song. But this one is at the 7th fret, also muting the 5th string. You got the 7, 7, mute, 0, 7. And then you just like play these together. Ba, ba, ba. And then this is going to be the B minor. The D is going to be at the 10th fret, 10 and 11 on the same strings. And they take the same shape for the G, play it on the 3rd fret. So it's gonna, you can add those fingers as well, and the pinky. Oh, that's beautiful. That's it. Sorry, somebody called me. I think that's all for this lesson. There's nothing really else I can show more. If you have any questions about this, just hit me up in the comments and I'll be sure to reply. Okay. Peace out.